All right, so we are at the Pilot here in Moriarty, New Mexico. Just getting our day started. Got our pre-trip done. All of our lights are working. Brakes look good. DOT tape is in place. The kingpin is still latched to the between the trailer and the truck. Everything is where it needs to be. Nothing's been shifted or fallen over during the night. Everything is secure in the truck. So we are making our way through the rest of Arizona, and then down into Texas for the rest of the day. Got about 240 miles, 250 miles to Amarillo. Where I'm going to do a fuel. Freaking FedEx just stopped in the middle of the road, just blocking people from getting in. Moron. Oh, that's right. People are just so freaking ignorant. I wish they put some lines on this road. Yeah, just come charging out. Don't even bother to look. Already it starts. Already it starts. All right. So we're getting on the highway here. Getting back on I-40.
Turn right on NM41.
Get back on I-40. Heading east again. We got a nice sunrise, it looks like, coming up. It is just 6:15 in the morning. And looking at my mirrors, we still have our trailer attached, so we are good. We are good. So we're gonna go about 130 something, 140 miles to our first load check. We're gonna stop at Tucumcari. I think we're stopping, where we're stopping, yeah. We're stopping at the Flying J there in Tucumcari. Get some ice for a cold drink.
In a quarter mile, take the entrance to the left on I-40 East. In 600 feet, take the entrance to the left on I-40 East.
And then we will push on to, like I said, Amarillo, where I will go ahead and do another load check. Put some fuel in the truck. And we'll do a 30-minute break there as well, because that's close to 300 miles. You know, close enough. Good enough a place as any to stop. So let's put 2 hours on the clock here and make our way east. sun. First thing in the morning. All right, Tucumcari, New Mexico. We are at the Lubs. Lock the door here. You can see our load is riding just fine. I think I want to tighten, check our straps. Yeah, we got one or two we want to tighten up, a click or two. But other than that, looking good. Riding stable, no problems. So I'm gonna go in here to the into the Lubs there. Give me some ice. Maybe grab me a fish sandwich from Arby's. And you know, have a good morning. It's just 9:30 or 8:30 right now, so not too bad. Temperatures are in the mid-30s. A little bit of a breeze. Getting a little chilly on the legs there, but put on my flannel on, so get a little blood pumping here by walking in. Won't be too bad. Won't be too bad. So, I mean, if they would just take out this little bit of drainage ditch, you know, tidy things up a little bit, it'd be a little bit nicer at the Lubs, but not too bad. Coming into Amarillo, Texas. Oh boy, so we're gonna make it to the other side of Amarillo, about 12 miles. Then we're gonna pull into our stop, the old Flying J. And let's say we're going to do our load check, top up our fuel because we're about 3/8 of a tank now and 5/8 of a tank for DEF. So we're going to top both of those up, and then we are going to do our 30-minute break. It is 11:30 now, so we just, like I said, about 11:45. We'll be parked. Oh, boy. And then we'll make the rest of the day. We'll see what we do.